Hello everyone, you're welcome to Kharis Tutorials. I'm Simeon. Today I'll be taking us on how to cut an office skirt, and it's going to be a pencil skirt with caterpillar zip. I'll be using a caterpillar zip. My fabric is black, but the zip is white. That's what we'll be doing today, and it's going to have a band on the waist. The front is going to have a slit at the right hand side, and the back is without slits. So this is what I'll be doing today, and with 1.5 yards of fabric I'm going to do this. So let's move on. The first thing we're going to do here is to fold our fabric, and to our measurement I'll be adding just 4 inches since we'll not be using lining for the fabric. So we have the hip measurement of 34. 34 plus 4 divided by 4 is 9.5 inches. So I'll be folding 9.5. Let's move on. So I've folded my 9.5 inches. The length is 24 inches. 24 inches. I'm going to add just 1 inch to the length, and that is 25 inches. This is because we still have 2 inches back to add to the length of the skirt. So this is 25 inches. The waist measurement, 26 inches. 26 plus 4 is 30 inches, and divided by 4, I have 7.5 inches. Remember I said the measurement plus 4 divided by 4 inches. So we have the hip measurement, that's 34 plus 4 divided by 4, which is 9.5 inches. And at the base of my skirt, I'm going to subtract 1 inch from the hip measurement. This is 9.5 minus 1 will give me 8.5 inches. So I'm going to measure 8.5 inches. That's a pencil skirt. So in case you want a straight skirt, all you just need to do is to bring your 9.5 inches, just bring it straight down. In case you want to pencil it like this, you subtract 1 inch from whatever hip measurement you have, and that is going to be the base measurement. Here I have 9.5 and this is 8.5. So we're going to bring out the shape now. We'll start from the base to the hip and to the waist. So I'm going to cut this. The next thing I'm going to do here is to place this to cut out the front. This is the back. Remember, the back is not going to have a slit. So I'm going to place this to get the front. So to cut out the front, all I just need to do is place my fabric, and this time around I'm adding 1.5 inches for the zip allowance. I'm not going to divide this first. Let's cut out the main shape. The main shape of the skirt is this. So now I'm going to measure the 4 inches for my back. The back is not going to have a that, neither is the front going to have, but I need that to note where I'm going to place my zip. So having done this, I'm going to open it. Going to open it. This is the back, and placing the front on it. Okay, so we have the back, and this is the front. The slit is going to be on the right hand side, and in case you want the slit at the left hand side, whatever I'm doing on this side, just do the same on the left hand side. So since I'm going to have my slit here, I make sure that on the left hand side I have equal shape, the front and the back, make sure they are aligned, pin them together, and I have my excess, that's the front excess, on the right hand side. Now I'm going to hold this down. Now the dart from the back, all I'm going to do is place the other side, the other right hand side of the skirt, make it align with that of the back, so that the excess on the front fabric is going to align with the dart measurement. This is the dart on the back, the place where I notched, as after marking my 4 inches for the dart. So I'm going to make sure that the excess, now I'm pushing up the excess, I'm going to push it up, and you can hold that. Now I have equal sides, both on the left hand side and on the right hand side. Having my dart, I'm pushing up my dart, my excess on the dart is going to align with the back dart, and you can hold it down with your pin like this way, holding it down this way first, so that we can divide the excess into two. We're going to divide the excess into two. So that's I've done. I have equal sides, and the excess on the dart, after pushing it up, all I need to do is to divide it. So this is what I have. This is the excess, and just going to divide it. You can first hold it down with your pin, holding it down this way, so as to be sure that the skirt is okay on each side, no excess anymore, and the excess which we are pushing up is what we're going to divide on the right hand side. So if you, in case you want your dart, your zip on the left hand side, instead of pushing out the excess on this side, all you just need to do is make sure you have the front and the back aligned on the right hand side, and you're going to push out the excess. This is the dart from the back, so I'm going to first hold it down, and just hold it down with your pin this way, and all you're going to do is to divide the excess into two. So since I want mine on the right hand side, I've divided it, and after dividing, this is what I have. After dividing the excess into two, this is what I have. So what I'm going to do now is to measure my 1.5 inches as the excess we added to the first measurement, the 1.5 inches. So this is where I'm going to attach my zip. The time I attach the zip, you can see it is now equal on both sides. The time I fix my zip on the right hand side, I have my equal skirt, and the remaining part, that's the base of my skirt, is meant for the slit. I'm going to open the remaining parts of the skirt, and this is what I'm going to have afterwards. So the next thing I'm going to do is to cut out the band, and to do that is 2 inches folding. I'm going to fold double. I'm going to double my fabric. The band measurement The band measurement is 26 inches. So the zip is coming all the way from the band. And remember we added 1.5 inches to the skirt measurement. That is 3 inches on each side. That's 3 inches. So 26 now plus 3 inches. That's a 1.5 inches we added to the skirt. Remember the front was folded into two. While adding the excess, it was folded into two. That's 1.5 and 1.5, making 3 inches. So I'm going to add the 3 inches to the waist measurement of 26, and I have 29 inches. So the folding is 2 inches. 2 inches. So all I'm going to do is fold this out. This is the band, and I guess that's all. So we've come to the end of our cutting. We have the front, we have the back, and here is the band. We've come to the end of our cutting. If you enjoyed the class, click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification button in order to get notifications for each of our new posts. I still remain Simeon Grace. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and on Instagram at Africa TV. You can also follow me on Facebook and on Instagram at Kharis Kreations. Till I see you next class.